Discover the world's most exclusive escapes, private islands, luxury resorts, and unforgettable retreats. This is JetSet Hideaways, where your next dream destination begins. Just off the coast of Naples, beyond the bustle of Capri and the glamour of the Amalfi Coast, lies an island that whispers rather than shouts. This is Ischia, a volcanic island shaped by fire, softened by water, and perfected by time. Here, thermal springs flow naturally into the sea, gardens bloom on cliff edges, and life moves to a slower, more thoughtful rhythm. Ischia isn't about being seen. It's about how you feel when you finally stop rushing. For more than 2,000 years, people have come to Ischia to heal. The island rests atop volcanic rock, and from deep beneath the earth, warm mineral waters rise naturally to the surface. These waters are rich in therapeutic properties, known to ease muscles, calm the mind, and restore balance. Here, wellness isn't scheduled. It's woven into daily life. Morning soaks in thermal pools, afternoons drifting between hot and cool waters, evenings where your body feels lighter, looser, renewed. Ischia doesn't push you to relax. It simply creates the space for it to happen. Across the island, thermal parks blend seamlessly into nature. At Negombo, lush gardens surround sculpted pools overlooking the sea. At Poseidon, more than 20 thermal baths cascade gently toward the shoreline. Each one a different temperature, a different mood. Some pools are tucked away in quiet corners. Others open directly to the horizon. And then there are the natural springs, where warm water meets cool sea, creating moments that feel both grounding and magical. No loud music, no distractions, just water, warmth, and time slowing down. Unlike its flashier neighbors, Ischia's beaches are calm, spacious, unhurried. Moronti stretches wide and open, a place where sunbeds are spaced generously, and the sound of the sea sets the pace. Sitara offers golden sand and gentle waves, with thermal waters warming the shore beneath your feet. And hidden between cliffs, small coves appear unexpectedly, quiet places where you might swim alone, or share the moment with just a handful of others. Here, the beach isn't a scene. It's a sanctuary. Ischia's hotels mirror the island itself, elegant, intimate, deeply connected to their surroundings. Boutique retreats cling to cliffsides, where every room opens to the sea. Mornings begin with espresso on private terraces. Afternoons drift by poolside, the horizon stretching endlessly ahead. Many hotels feature their own thermal spas. Soaking pools carved into stone, steam rising softly at sunset. Service here is quiet and personal. You're remembered, not managed. This is luxury without noise, where comfort feels effortless, and every detail exists to help you exhale. Dining on Ischia is a reflection of the island's soul, simple, seasonal, and deeply satisfying. Fresh seafood pulled from the sea just hours before. Sun-warmed tomatoes, wild herbs growing along stone walls. Meals unfold slowly, often stretching into long conversations and laughter. There's no rush to clear the table. No need to hurry the moment. As daylight fades, lanterns glow softly. Wine glasses clink, and the island settles into its evening rhythm. Food here doesn't impress. It comforts. Ischia's beauty isn't only natural, it's layered with history. The Castello Aragonese rises dramatically from the sea, a stone fortress watching over centuries of stories. Villages unfold in soft pastels, laundry fluttering from balconies, church bells marking the hours. Life here is lived outdoors. Conversations spill into streets, shops close for long lunches, and evenings are shared slowly. There's no performance, just authenticity. You don't visit Ischia to escape life. You come to remember how it's meant to be lived. As evening arrives, Ischia becomes even quieter. The air cools, the sea darkens, Steam rises gently from thermal pools beneath the stars. This is when the island works its quiet magic. Moments stretch, thoughts soften, and something inside you slows to match the rhythm around you. Ischia doesn't overwhelm the senses. It clears them. And when you finally rest, sleep comes deeply, naturally, as though your body has remembered something it forgot. Ischia isn't a destination you rush through. It's one you feel long after you've left. It's warmth in your muscles, calm in your breath, a quieter mind. This island doesn't demand attention. It earns affection. And once you've experienced it, you'll understand why those who know return again and again. If you enjoyed this journey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments, give the video a like, and subscribe to join us for more unforgettable escapes around the world. This is JetSet Hideaways. Where to next?